Okay, we took down a few palm leaves yesterday. So from these, we're gonna make some roses. And I'm gonna show you how, guys. This is pretty cool. We're gonna take this middle part out. This is gonna be a flower and this is gonna be a flower. And you're gonna love it. Stay tuned. Okay. Hey everyone. Now this is the leaf, okay? What you wanna do is, you see it has this spine. So we wanna take that spine out. I fold it in half, okay? And I'm gonna put my nail in there. Some people use a knife. And then I just pull my nail all the way down. And this, all right, I didn't get all the way through. This is the stem. You can use this part to make baskets because it's pretty sturdy, as you can tell. I mean, it's a little flexible, but as it gets more towards the thick end, it's very sturdy. So we take the two sides, can become two flowers, okay? So you take your side, you bend it like this. I'm hoping you can see it all. And you just, same thing as a ribbon rose. So you're just gonna how's everybody been doing out there in cyber world? My kids and I have been trying to keep ourselves busy, and I apologize for not videotaping everything we're doing. But we've been planting trees and just trying to fix things around the house. That's the reason my hands look so beat up. Cement and dirt and lava rocks and yeah, you name it, we're doing it. So you just keep going around like that. And sometimes I like to hold it like this and start doing this. Okay. So that my flower is more flat. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So that makes it easier for me personally. You guys can totally do it however you want. Now, I also don't like every single petal to be the same. So I try and do something like that where it's poking out. Like this is the flat side, so I have the back one poking out. I try and do that on my ribbon roses as well to alter as much as I can. I mean, you can't always alter it, but you try. And when you get to a certain point, you're gonna wanna use the rest of this, okay? Sorry about my weird taping circumstances. I just thought it would be nice to be outside. I went for a walk earlier, stopped and took my orange break so I could eat my orange. Did a quick video. I was exhausted. It got very hot out. So let me see here. I'm gonna stick that one there and then put another one here. Okay. Now at this point, what I want to do, okay, I have this part. I want to go underneath and start using this to wrap around the original fold, okay? And I just keep wrapping it, you know? I mean, there is no right and wrong, pretty much. Anything you do that works is a good thing. Nobody taught me how to do this. I just kind of watched somebody else do something, and I thought that would make a really neat, like same as my ribbon rose, that would make a really neat rose. So, let's see, I can pop that up. Up. It's ripping on me. And at this point, you can totally, all right, it ripped on me. So, I'm just gonna show you. You take the end here and you slide it. You know, sometimes it even works better if I fold it first. But then you're going to slide that into the back of one of the leaves. You're going to squeeze, straighten it out. Voila. You have your flower. Pretty cool, huh? Easy. We're going to make a bunch more, okay? And I'll take a picture and put it at the end of the video. I should be showing you this. I apologize. It's not perfect. Got a few layers there. But as you can see, a person can hold it like this, and it stands up on its own, which is kind of neat. Best part is the palms grow right in my yard, so all I had to do was trim a tree. Thanks for being here today, you guys. Happy Easter. Happy weekend. Happy anything you celebrate. Today is a day for creation. Oh, sorry. We'll see you next time here at Kusky Creations. Bye, everyone.